dark.
I think it's
fine.
okay. Seems okay. Then that's the amount of likes. This one, the one on top, like beside Crazy Batman. And then this one, the viewers is like over here. So maybe we wait a while before some viewers come in.
But what we shared on the Instagram story, there is no link for this live, right? We cannot share that.
You can go to the TikTok and then like when the TikTok is live, then you just press the
Okay.
yeah. So if you share the TikTok link, you will like be able to see the live. And do you want to like share it again? But is it like a bit late now?
Okay, we have few people joining in.
I think that's me. Oh, there's two people there. There's me and someone else.
But there are few more viewers. We have. Yeah, there are quite a lot of people joining in. Hi guys. We'll start soon. Just waiting for a few more people to join in.
I think we need to switch off the fan. There's like a where's the fan? Oh, over there. There's a remote.
Just the remote.
Yeah.
Oh, this is more black color remote.
Oh.
So we can turn off the remote. Yeah. We have like 37 people online viewing us. Hello guys, hi.
It wasn't a fan, it was just a mic. So I guess we can switch on the fan.
So this live is all about making some yummy, easy, healthy ice creams with this cool looking machine, creamy from Ninja Shark.
Maybe you want to like let them know like what we'll be like preparing today, like the few recipes, and also like run through the like the different.
So I'll be showing you different recipes of ice creams which you can make. We went live on Monday also, 2 days back, sorry Tuesday. So we made 3 recipes that day. One was this high protein recipe with 2 scoops of this protein powder and this coconut water. Another recipe was with this taro milk, Thai taro milk protein powder and this Thai milk tea. And we made one sorbet with all the Coke and all the soft drinks you get. So today will be different. We're going a bit sinful today. So no high protein ice creams for today. Today we are going to show you. First is a passion fruit. So that that will be the last one. First is this. Just this coconut water. We are going to make ice cream just with this. So not the ice cream, sorbet. And next we'll use this Thai milk tea. And the third one we are going to make with the passion fruit, which is actually healthy. Actually these all are healthy. See, this is healthy, hardly any calories. See, it has only 62 calories. So it's all fine. And same for this Thai milk tea. And the third one is a passion fruit one, So it's a passion fruit drink, which hardly has 40 to 80 calories. One can has 40 calories. We're going to use 2 cans, so it will be like 80 calories in 1 tub of the ice cream. So it will be like a slushy or sorbet. And how it's going to be sinful is that we're going to add some toppings to it, because we're focusing on the kids today. So if you want to introduce these simple homemade ice creams to your kids, so we're going to add lots of toppings. You won't even imagine what all toppings we have in store for kids to enjoy. Some healthy and some the cheap ones. And it's okay to have once in a while.
Maybe you can ask them like which are your favorite toppings.
Yeah, you guys can let me know if you are allowed to have toppings of your choice. What would be your favorite toppings? What would you like to add?
Maybe we can just do the first sorbet. Do you want to do the passion fruit first? Or
Anything is okay. We can start with this.
yeah, maybe we do the passion fruit.
Just bring this slide bit closer so I can read your messages more properly.
This one is the passion fruit. I hope. Because the coconut one looks the same.
I think this is good.
The other one also looks like that.
No, it smells like coconut. Bit confusion because you have to actually freeze them, and after freezing, the passion fruit and the coconut ones look the same. So just trying to figure out which one is
Okay,
which.
then maybe we do the coconut one first.
Yeah. Or maybe passion fruit? No.
Passion fruit
You
first.
just smell and see.
I'll bring the other one.
So I was asking you guys, you have any favorite toppings of your own, like which you like adding to your ice creams or your sorbets? I think this is coconut. It's more right.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, this is coconut. Sure.
Do you want to do the coconut or the sorbet first?
Yeah, let's do the coconut.
Okay.
So this also is sorbet only, right?
Yeah, sorbet only. Like you just press the sorbet button.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so let's start. So let me introduce to you this cool looking guy. This is Creamy from Ninja Shark, which has Creamify technology, which helps you make ice cream, sorbets, slushies, shakes, smoothie balls, anything you want in just few minutes, very easily, conveniently. So what you need to do is, the first ice cream sorbet I'm going to show you is this coconut one. Okay, so what you need to do is just add 1 can, right? 1 can is enough.
Yeah, one bottle. Yeah.
1 bottle of this. You get these tubs, you get 3 of these tubs with the machine. You just need to take 1 tub, empty up 1 bottle of this, cover it up, put it in your freezer for one whole day, like 24 hours. Let it get freeze. Okay, after 24 hours, just take it out. See, because we're going live, so I'm not showing you that part. We have already frozen it. It's been 24 hours. It's frozen. So I show you the next step now. So this jar comes with the machine. See, this is the jar which comes with the machine. So once you have frozen it, this frozen top, you put it inside your jar, back up, lock it up. Yep. Wait for the locking sound. We are going to put it inside. You see how nicely it goes in. Yeah, so that was the first locking sound. Just rotate it a bit. Second locking sound. That's it. It's done. Turn on the machine. And now, since we are making a sorbet, I'm going to press the sorbet button. See, so you don't have to worry about putting any timer or how long you need to do. You just need to press two buttons, the power button and whatever you're making it. So like I press the sorbet button and then just wait for 2 minutes. It works on its own. It has its inbuilt timer. It knows how long, what time it needs to be done. And see, it's done. It just makes some noise because obviously it's going to make the slushy for you or sorbet for you, the convenience of your home, and so fast. So let me see what we have got. I think this came out again. Yep, here it is. Have a look. Just one ingredient sorbet. So see, because it's so hot, just drinking something cold is not enough sometimes. So it's just this, one can of this, and look at this sorbet. Let me have a taste. Feels like I'm eating frozen coconut. Nice guys, see? Looks like frozen coconut also, and it's really easy to get it done, right? Shall I do some toppings?
Yeah, okay.
I think
can put
this-
them back.
So this was just one ingredient, ice cream, obviously low in calorie and such a nice summer quencher for the hot summers. So easy way, right? Just freeze it one day before, put it in the freezer, put it in for us, next day take it out, fix it under your machine. Even the kids can do it, you know. introduce this to your kids. They love making it, the ice creams on their own, and it's really easy, that's simple. So this tub is of 470 ml or 500 grams. So up to you, you want to eat it in one go, like whole family eating together, or it's okay, you can even, like whatever you're having, you can just freeze it back. Now you can play with some toppings, so you can add any toppings you want to add here. So I have a lot of toppings. I was asking you guys if you have any favorite toppings of your own. Now I'll show you what all I have. I have these panda biscuits, these baby beers, these strawberry biscuits, and see what I have. Seaweed, another healthy thing to add. All these choco pie. Let me try adding this choco pie to the coconut, okay? Let's see how it tastes then. So I can add full of this or?
Yeah, you need to like dig a little like hole in the middle so that.
Okay, so?
Yeah, maybe just put like half and then the other half you like keep.
You just put half of it for now because it's already very full.
Yeah.
So I dig it in a bit.
Yeah, maybe you can like squish it in.
Machine is easy to use. Making the ice cream and slushy is easy to use. Toppings are not so easy. These toppings. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
So I'm putting it back inside the jar. Fixing it back again. The locking sound. Fix it inside your machine. That was the first locking sound. Let it go up. Done. Okay, so now the sorbet is already done, but you want to add the topping, so you need to press this button.
No,
mix it.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to press this button and then we're going to wait. I can't talk that time because it makes a lot of noise. I can't hear you. Hi, hello. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Oh yeah, see, looks amazing. See how well nicely it's mixed in. If you just look at it, it looks like cookies and cream flavor. It's actually just this coconut water, 1 can of this, and I have used this choco pie as a topping. And I can't wait to try this. See? Nice. Tastes nice, really nice. So see, you can play around with the flavors, you can play around with toppings and make your own flavors. You never know, you invent some really good flavors. You don't have to depend on market for those limited flavors you get in the market. Have you ever thought of or tried this? Adding choco pie to coconut sorbet. Yum. So basically healthy sorbet and just a little bit of treats, no harm. Much better than what you get and what you eat from the market, right? They are loaded with lots of preservatives, they are not fresh. They last for 6 months, 1 year. You just buy and let them sit in your freezer. They stay in the market freezers for so long. But the best part about this is, it's just fresh. Whenever you want to have, you just need one small preparation a day before. You just need to pour in the ingredients in the tub, freeze them, and it's done. Good to go. Simplest and easiest way to make. Want to ask me anything about this flavor? I didn't introduce myself actually. I'm a certified yoga instructor, a fitness trainer, basically yogi with muscles. So we did a live on Tuesday. That was more about protein-rich recipes. I'll recap for that also. I'll tell you about those recipes also. But today is about sorbets. We're not making ice creams, we're making sorbets today. So now, like in yoga, there are some basic sets of poses we have. But then we keep on mixing because just doing those same basic poses gets boring at one point, especially if you're doing like every day. I have lots of kids classes, kids yoga. So kids don't like doing the same thing every time. They want something new. So all the kids love my classes because I introduce something new for them every time. Exactly like this ice cream machine and this ice cream tub. So like we created our own flavor today with coconut and choco pie. So you can add some more. Like I just added choco pie. You can add choco pie also. You can add these gummy bears also. Anything you want. Anything that comes in your mind literally you can add here. And it's so simple. You don't even have to do any like major work for it. Just press the button and it's done. Just wait and watch for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes it takes. And talking about the machine, it's not so expensive. It's really reasonable for the amount of money we spend outside eating our ice creams and all the desserts. It's hardly $400. If you want to order, you can visit our TikTok shop. You can contact Crazy Bedman. You can contact Ninja Shark. This is Creamy from Ninja Shark with Creamify technology. See exactly how this sorbet looks, so creamy, nice, right?
Do you want to do the next flavor?
Yeah.
Which one you want? The time of the
Anything?
Okay.
We'll move to the next flavor. So I'm asking for the next. We're bringing out the next stuff from the fridge, and we'll do the next flavor then. I'll have one more bite of this too then. It's really good. Okay, next flavor. Again, just one ingredient, this Thai milk tea. A lot of people love this Thai milk tea, right? Obviously it tastes good when it's frozen, but it tastes much better when you make a sorbet of it. So I have used 2 cans of this. Just put them inside, frozen them 24 hours. So it looks like this. Since it's a live stream, so I can't show you this right now because I had to get it prepared frozen. So now we're going to put it inside our jar and make the sorbet. Locking sound. Fix it under the machine. And the locking sound. And the power button. I think it's off. So I'll turn on the power button again. And I'll press this sorbet. Yes, exactly. Only 2 minutes. So someone asked me only 2 minutes. Yes, correct. You saw it yourself, right? It's just 2 minutes. Okay, I think these are the 4 lines you can see. So once you prepare, when it's getting ready, this blinks, and when it's in the process, these 2 blink, done, and ready to take it out. Okay, let me see. Just one ingredient, Thai milk tea ice cream. Sorry, not ice cream, sorbet. Ever imagine a sorbet with this Thai milk tea flavor? I'm not a flavor of Thai milk tea, but I'll taste it to see how does the sorbet taste. And see how creamy it is. I love how it makes so creamy. It's good, nice. That's what it does. The name of the machine is Creamy. It has this creamified technology, so it makes nice creamy ice creams. Even the sorbet is so creamy. Nice. Just one ingredient. And do you have any suggestion what topping should I add? I have shown you I have all these. So wondering which flavor should I add to this? How about adding these Hello Panda biscuits? All the kids love it, right? Okay, so to add the toppings, you just need to dig it in a bit, make some space in it, which is easy to make, yeah. See, just make a bit small hole so that it can go nicely in. See, I'm going to add these Hello Panda biscuits as toppings. Fixing it back again, putting it inside the jar. Lock it up again, let it go in, hear that locking sound. Okay, now since we are adding the toppings and mixing, we just need to press this mixing button. Done. This was less than 2 minutes actually. Okay. Let me yeah. So you can actually see bits of the biscuits because it was strawberry filled panda biscuit. So you can see the bits of biscuit with strawberry. I usually don't eat all this. My daughter loves it. She's not at home, so I'm trying. So you can actually feel the crunch of the biscuit also. So it's added, but it's not like completely broken. You can still feel the crunch of the biscuit. So enjoy your sorbet. It tastes good actually. The creamy sorbet with this biscuit. So it's like a completely different flavor now. Thai milk tea and strawberry filled panda biscuits. Cool. Never thought a flavor like this could exist. You can actually have a kind of like a competition of creating your own flavors, and then let someone decide who has the most craziest. Like we can do different what do I say? Different types of competition. One is the craziest this topping combo you can make, and then the yummiest you can make, most unique you can make. This was good. This was not crazy. This was good. I like it. I think crazy would be like you add some chilies to it. Can, right? But it's okay. Let's not think about that. We can make it good and yummy first. So right now we are adding all these topping. You can even add fruits. Add some fresh fruits to it. Any kind of berries you want to add apples to it, anything you want to add. There is no, we do have a, where is it, I kept it inside. It comes with a recipe book. It has some recipes inside it, not some, a lot of recipes. So those are there to try, and I like making my own recipes. Why not when you have the option? and don't even have to bother about anything. Just fix it in, press the button, sit and enjoy. Would you guys try this Thai milk tea sorbet with strawberry filled panda biscuits as topping? This was the second recipe for today. We made this coconut water. First we made the coconut water sorbet, which was good in itself. I liked it. It felt like eating frozen coconut. Really good for the hot days we have in Singapore these days. And I added a choco pie in that. So first one was this, with this topping, which was really very nice. This was the second one, Thai milk sorbet, and then I added this strawberry choco panda, this strawberry filled Hello Panda biscuits. If you show it to your kids, I'm telling you, they'll go crazy. They'll stop eating anything. Sorry, they'll stop eating food and they'll just want ice creams whole day. You can actually negotiate it other way. Make them have their meals, their home cooked good food first, and if they finish their food, then they can have this treat. It's not that bad. It's not like really full of calories because we're making it quite healthy way. Just with some of the toppings. Something both kids and adults can enjoy. Like on Tuesday we made those high protein recipes, ice creams. They were good for adults. And see, you get 3 of these tubs with the machine. So it's not that like you get 1 tub, you made one, oh, okay, or now what to do? Someone wants to have this flavor, someone wants to have that flavor. You get 3 of this. So it's good enough for a family. So you can make 3 flavors at a time. 1 flavor for kids, 1 flavor for your own choice, or like whatever, whoever wants which flavor, you can just try this. And I like the tub is not very small and not very big, because if it's very big, it's difficult to finish it in one go or even in 2 go, and then you just have to keep it in the fridge. So I don't like that. I really like eating whatever we make freshly cooked. So it's better this size. If 2 people are eating together, you can you won't even realize. Once you start eating, now you'll end up eating it all on its own. And it's okay, it's just like the coconut one was just this can. We usually drink this 1 can, right? So 1 can turned into sorbet. So you can actually have in 1 go, or like 2 people are eating, you can finish it. Or maybe if just 1 person is eating, you just keep rest of it in the fridge, take it out again, fix it under the machine again, churn it again, and it's done. So maximum 2 times, right? Don't have to store it for months. That's the best part about it. And then it's not that small that okay, like a family is sitting down to eat together, and it's so less that you have to keep on making. No, it's just perfect sizing. Guys, you have any questions about this? You want to ask me anything about this? We'll make a 3rd recipe more. It's a bit different one now. So the 3rd recipe is passion fruit. Who likes passion fruit? We're making very simple recipes today, guys. All simple 1 ingredient recipes. You just need 1 ingredient. And we're making sorbets today, not ice creams. third one. So I actually forgot and I have thrown the cans. So we're basically using all these drinks only. So there's a new passion fruit, nice healthy drink. It hardly has 40 calories in one can. So I have used 2 of those cans, poured it in and kept it in the freezer for 24 hours. Now see, it's all frozen, and just like all the before 2 recipes, we are going to fix it under this jar and put it under the machine. Hear the locking sound, first sound, and the second sound when it goes in. That's it. I'll just press the power button. The machine gets started, and now I'm going to press the sorbet button. See, it's done. Just 2 minutes. Let me get it out. Another creamy passion fruit sorbet. So cool, right? For the summers. See the texture? Awesome. Wow. It's really yummy. So this tub has only 80 calories. So cool, right? I forgot, I threw the cans. I poured it in and kept it for freezing last night, and I forgot about keeping the cans, so I could have shown you the cans. But it's like anything, you can take anything you want to take. Last time when we went live, we used these Coke, we used Coca-Cola, you can use Coke Zero, you can use Pepsi, you can use any of the juices. Anything that comes to your mind, just one ingredient sorbet. So it's just like you're enjoying your drink, but sometimes it's still not enough. You add lot of ice to it, but it still doesn't taste like that, right? It's a different taste. Just the same thing when you freeze and you put it under this machine, when it makes the sorbet, trust me, it tastes completely different. Really cool for the summers, for the hot days. And I heard the hot days are not going anywhere. It's going to be same for quite a few more months now. Love this sorbet, passion fruit sorbet. So, shall I try adding some toppings to it? Checking with you guys again. Do you have any suggestions for what toppings I should add? I have quite a few of them. I have tried choco pie in the coconut water sorbet. Then I tried this strawberry filled Hello Panda in the Thai milk tea sorbet. This is passion fruit. I'm thinking what to add now. Kids will love all these gummy bears, right? Or the strawberry biscuits we have already added, so I don't want to add this. I am thinking of something more unique. Let me try adding this seaweed roll. Okay, like even in my wildest dreams I can't imagine adding this seaweed to a passion fruit flavor sorbet. Let's try this. Okay, so to add the toppings, once your sorbet is ready or your ice cream is ready, whatever, just dig a hole, make some space in it. It's already full so that it gets mixed nicely. And I'm adding this seaweed to it. Another healthy thing, so we're keeping it really healthy down. Put the jar back, the tub back in the jar, lock it up again. Yes, wait for the locking sound, put it in the machine, lock it up again. And see now, since you're just adding the topping, you just need to press this My Mix button, no timer, no hassle, just press the button, sit back and relax, enjoy. Ready? So when you make the soda ice cream, it takes around 2 minutes, but mixing it takes hardly 1 minute. I can't stop laughing. Oh my gosh. Passion fruit flavor sorbet with seaweed flavor, seaweed toppings, and see how well toppings have mixed in. Let me try this, how it tastes. It's good, very unique. I need to eat some more. Okay. Usually seaweed you try it is in like sushi or other things, or you try this seaweed flavor fries on McD sometime, right? And this is ice cream. I've just made an ice cream, my own flavor. This is my own creation. It's nice, guys. Who else wants to try this flavor? You can still feel the crunch of the seaweed. Wow. I think maybe we should get these ideas patented. Very unique flavors. Nobody would have ever thought of putting seaweed inside a passion fruit flavor sorbet. That's the thing about this machine. Create your own flavors easily, conveniently, at the comfort of your own home. Hardly few minutes of time. It actually doesn't need any time. Take the ingredient, put them in this tub, put them in the freezer for 24 hours. Once they are frozen, take them out, put them in the jar, put them in the machine. Done. Just press one button. That's it. Done. Easy peasy. Even the kids can do it easily. So if you want your kids to eat more of these seaweed, they're actually quite healthy seaweed. So, and they don't really want, just put them in these any flavor of any of their favorite flavors of this ice creams or sorbets, and then give it to them. They'll really love it. More better way, ask your kids to make their own ice cream. You know, a good idea to keep them busy during their holidays. So instead of watching their screen, just tell them, make your own flavors of ice cream. They'll be busy making it.
Maybe we can control like the different like settings, and then after that we can add the string.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So see, I'll just show you this machine nicely. So it's really simple to use. This is the power on and off button, and then there are different modes what you want to use. So this is the ice cream, sorbet, light ice cream like a soft serve, softy if you want to eat. This is smoothie bowl if you want to have, gelato and milkshake. And if you want to add any toppings, just press this button, mix in. That's it. And comes with this jar. One of this jar, because you need only one to put it inside the machine. 3 of these tubs, which is around 500 ml. So you can make different flavors, freeze them and use them according to your own taste. Really easy to use. And it's lightweight, not very heavy, easy to carry. If you want to carry it to, if you have a party or get together at someone's house and you want to carry it, so you can do that also. And also very reasonably priced. It's just around $400. If you want to order, you can go to our TikTok shop, you can contact Crazy Batman, you can contact Shark Ninja, and it's that easy. So we were live on Tuesday. We made 2 ice creams and 1 sorbet that day. That day was more high in protein ice creams. Today we just made sorbets. More kids friendly, like all the kids love these sorbets. So we made these 3 flavors today. Just one ingredient sorbet. So first one we made was this coconut water. Just 1 can of this coconut water. Pour in the tub, freeze it. That's it. Put it in the jar and under the machine, and it's done. Second flavor was this Thai milk tea, and yeah, we added some toppings. So I added choco pie to the coconut one. I added strawberry, these panda biscuits in this Thai milk tea one. And now this third flavor, the passion fruit drink sorbet, I have added the most craziest, weirdest, unique combination, this seaweed. Trying my own different flavors, and I'm thinking of few more flavors what all I can make. Maybe next time I'll show you some more flavors. You guys want to ask me anything? Yep.
Yeah, so they can like follow us or go on YouTube to like rewatch.
Yeah, so guys, you can actually, because we have few more live streaming coming up and we'll be bringing some more recipes, so you can start following us, Crazy Batman, Shark Ninja. And if you missed like the first live, I was telling you we made these see, with these protein rich ice creams we made, so we'll upload those live on our YouTube channel soon. Do like us here and stay connected, stay updated. Okay guys, it was nice seeing you all. Just letting you know again, if you want to order, you can just go to our TikTok shop or you can go to contact Crazy Batman. They have some cool offers going on right now. It's just $400. And if you have to buy, postpone it. Summer days are already here. Buy it and enjoy it. Okay, that's all for today guys. See you again. Bye.